Welcome to Let's Learn Together. Today we'll be creating a notepad with VS Code and ChatGPT. But today's focus is about ChatGPT. So I will be showing you other things in ChatGPT. So we're gonna type create a notepad with a notepad with py, or for sure you could say py, but normally you should say Python. Okay. This is a bit slightly different from the other one, because I asked him the same question and he gave me a different approach to the question. So this is kind of different. I don't know if this will work because this looks like slightly different from what I was planning it to be. Okay, so we're gonna click this. You need to create download and install VS Code. Then you click open a folder or create one. Now you need to create a file called notepad.py. Then you paste that in the box in the terminal. No, not in the terminal. Now you're gonna click play and see what it does. Okay, this is when GPT comes in handy, because if there's an error, it'll just fix the error. It doesn't literally fix it on your computer. It gives you the way to fix it. Okay, it's getting all. Okay, we need this. Python 3 TK. Just enter in our mini terminal here that we have. Okay, enter your password. Okay, you're gonna click Y. Just give it some time now. Okay. Now we're gonna click back and run this again. And voila, now you have a notepad. You have your own notepad. Let's say we have a new one. Let's say print. Now that's then that. Now in the middle we're gonna type hi. Don't forget your apostrophe, your colons, because this is really important. Without this could it could actually crash this and it wouldn't work. This is very important. Edit. Now let's click save. It's kind of old looking. So we're gonna click home, then home your thing. So let me find a folder here. Okay, desktop. Okay, these are familiar ones. I have a folder called H. Now it's not going to be a text. It's going to be called hi.py, and this is not going to be text. It's going to be all files. I'm going to save it. Now we're going to close this up. And we're gonna go to that exact folder. Go to that files place. Let's go up here. My folder is called hi.py. Now we're gonna click run with open with Visual Studio. Open, yes. Now we're gonna click run, and now it says hi. That's how you create a notepad with GPT. And that's not the end of the video, because we're still going to be showing some things about ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, let's say you don't want to read something like a long sentence. You just type some, like a long article. So this is, say, summarize the link. And it can be almost any link. I'm just going to click some random link to copy. No, actually, let me choose a video that I was watching. Let's see, copy. It might not work. It might not work with YouTube videos. Okay, it does. However, okay, can't like actually do that. So it can still summarize things like as I said, articles like this. This is an article, so let's see this out. The blogs and ChatGPT now space. Let's see. Okay, there's a bit of it. And as well, ChatGPT is a bit picky, so you have to be more specific. Also, just say, as an AI, I can do this, or I might say, I don't understand how to do this. Okay. Access specific. You have to say, I know what, you say summarize the website. Summarize the website. Okay. And it should summarize it. The article, yeah. Now summarize it. Because if you say the link, it'll be like, oh, you want me to summarize this link. I can't summarize a link. But if you say website, then it'll just look at the website's information, then tell you what it means. And you can shorten it. Let's say, explain it to me as a 2-year-old. As a 2. Doesn't it? Okay. Let's say change it to 1-year-old, because then it'll make it really simple. So imagine ChatGPT was a really smart computer program that you can talk to and answer your questions. It's like having a conversation with a robot friend. This is designed to understand you. So it's like a way, it's explained it as I'm to. And you can as well, like for example, speak like Snoop Dogg, and yo, what's cracking? Yes. So like it can like change the way it speaks. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Let's Learn Together.